Hello guys, welcome back to Send Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Link. We're going to take a look at Link on the macro scale. We're going to talk about it on the weekly basis and especially on the 3 weeks time frame and all that good stuff, right? So now let's dive into the analysis regarding Link on the 3 weeks basis, right? On the 3 weeks on the weekly basis, excuse me, right? On the weekly basis, you can see like the Link is looking to close above all-time high on the weekly basis right here. We got rejected a couple of weeks ago, just about a 43, 44 range, dip all the way down to like a low 28, 29 range, and basically bouncing right back up above 37. So 37 in terms of closing basis, it is our ultimate resistance. Closing above 37 could basically trigger higher prices going into the next month, next few weeks and so on, right? And we need to focus on Link on May. Why May is so important for Link, right? You can notice like the previous pump we got from the bulls, right, since like 2019 started nearly in May, right? So right here we started the as soon as we closed the April the monthly candle on April right here, we shoot up to the upside nearly 1,000, over 1,000%, okay? But on closing basis, we pumped like 750%, right? But we wicked all the way up to like nearly 1,200%. So after that, we got another pump, right? We consolidated after the peaked at $6. We consolidated nearly, guys, for another basically almost 10 months, right? Till like March, we dump all the way down to like $1.50 and so on, and pump right back up above the weekly 21 EMA, consolidated till May, basically shoot up to the upside again for another 400%, right? Are we gonna get a similar structure? It could be similar to what we got previously, but we got a massive trend line resistance right here. Notice well, the first pump was like 1,200%. Second pump was like nearly 500% right here. But the third pump, are we going to get more than 500%? Are we going to get 50% of 500? Could potentially be, but we need to break our resistance right here, just about like a 55, right? And so on, right? Remember also, guys, on Link, our ultimate target for Link, it is $80, okay? So if you notice well, if we want to basically use our Fibonacci extension, right, we could be looking for right here, swing low to swing high, down to swing low, right there. Okay, so next Fibonacci extension we need to pay attention to, it is going to be 786. It is just about like $60, but we got another Fibonacci extension. We got a 1-to-1 extension, excuse me, up to like $100. So keep an eye on basically Link retesting like above $60, above all the way up to $80. If the parabolic move is high enough, we could see like $100 Link over the next like a few weeks and so on. So Link, once again, it doesn't basically go parabolically forever. It just get the job done in like 2 to 3 weeks, and that's it. Actually 3 weeks time frame, that's what I mean, okay? 2 to 3 weeks time frame, like we got right here. You can see like the pump right there was just about like a 3 candles right there. The pump right here was also 3 candles, right? So the pump we got right here was also just about 3 candles. So it doesn't pump like for like a 3 months, okay, like a 6 month and all that good stuff. It just get the job done and that's it. So if like we're going to be expecting like 3 candles to the upside, we could just look for a 1-to-1 extension of the previous move, just to give ourselves a rough estimate right there, right here. Let's take a look at it in terms of log scale right there. Okay, it'll give us the same extension to the upside, nearly $100. So it doesn't matter how we look at it. I think like Link to $100 is very possible over the next like a few weeks and so on. So keep an eye on Link. Let's take a look at it on the 50-day cycle. The 50-day cycle looks pretty healthy. We got a nice bull flag right here, previous bull flag also right there, just about like February 2020. We got another bull flag right here, just about October 2020 and so on. Bang. Okay, now we basically breaking out to the upside. can we, you know, can we basically continue the upside momentum? Yes, and that's what I'm expecting over the next like a few weeks and so on, to see a potential move all the way up above $80 and so on. The volume is pretty low. The last volume right here on the 50-day cycle is pretty low. So, and we got nearly 30 days to close our current 50-day cycle. So guys, Link could basically get the job done within the next like a few you know, within the next few weeks and so on. So keep an eye on Link. Macro scale is pretty bullish, right? We got a macro trend line right here. If we fail to break out, we can still basically buy the dip right around this area, anywhere around like a, you know, 25 to a 35 range. Definitely is very accumulated for Link going forward, right? All right guys, that's all I wanted to cover for Link. Macro scale still pretty bullish, up to $80 to $100 over the next like a few months and so on, right? All right guys, thanks a lot for watching.